The ARROWMAX M1 Pro is a smart motion control electric screwdriver that is designed for precise and efficient fastening tasks. It features a powerful motor, a variety of torque settings, and a smart motion control system that makes it easy to use. Here are some of the key features of the ARROWMAX M1 Pro. The M1 Pro has a powerful motor that delivers up to 10 kgf.cm of torque, making it suitable for a variety of fastening tasks. The M1 Pro has 5 torque settings, so you can adjust the torque to match the specific task at hand. The M1 Pro has a smart motion control system that senses the movement of the screwdriver and automatically adjusts the torque and speed. This makes it easy to use the screwdriver with one hand, and it helps to prevent over-tightening or stripping screws. The M1 Pro has a built-in LED work light that illuminates the work area, so you can see what you're doing even in low light conditions. The M1 Pro is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. The M1 Pro has a long battery life, so you can use it for hours on end without having to recharge it. Here are some of the pros and cons of the ARROWMAX M1 Pro. Pros: powerful motor, variable torque settings, smart motion control, LED work light, compact and lightweight design, long battery life. Easy to use. Cons: some users may find the smart motion control to be too sensitive. The screwdriver may not be powerful enough for some heavy-duty tasks. The screwdriver is not compatible with all types of screws. Overall, the ARROWMAX M1 Pro is a great option for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use electric screwdriver. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.